Are you a garage door service provider looking for more business and leads? If you run a local business and are not making use of effective local SEO strategies to optimize your sites, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Just look at this. 50% of mobile users and 34% of desktop users who conducted a local search ended up visiting a local store within a day. 18% of mobile local searches led to a sale within 1 day. 50% of local mobile searchers are looking for business information like name, contact number, or address. 46% of all searches on Google are local. You see why it is important not to ignore the power of local SEO. But then, it can be very difficult to do all that is required to be done by yourself. That's where we can help. We are local SEO experts and have been helping small and medium businesses grow over the years. Call us today for a no-obligation strategy session for local SEO of your business website.